Ever pondered over the process of creating a Gmail account? Well, today we're unraveling the mystery, step by step. First things first, fire up your preferred web browser. It could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or any other. In the address bar, type in accounts.google.com/signup. This will lead you to the Gmail sign-up page. Now, you're on the stage where you need to fill out a form. Start by entering your first and last name. This information will be visible to anyone you send an email to, so make sure to choose the names you're comfortable sharing. Next, it's time to choose your email address. This will be your unique identifier in the vast world of Gmail users. It could be your name, a nickname, or anything else that speaks to your personality. But remember, it needs to be unique. If your preferred email address is already taken, Gmail will suggest alternatives, or you can try a different combination. Once you've secured your unique email address, you'll need to create a password. Here's where security comes into play. Your password should be a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. It's like the key to your digital house, so make it something strong and secure, something that's not easily guessable. After setting your password, you'll be prompted to confirm it. This is just to make sure you've remembered what you've set. After all, our memory can sometimes play tricks on us. Now you're halfway through the process. Next comes the personal details. Enter your phone number and a recovery email address. These will be crucial if you ever forget your password or need to recover your account. You can think of them as your safety nets. Next, fill in your birthday and gender. This information helps Google personalize your account and its services. Once all the required information is filled, click on Next. You'll be greeted with the Privacy and Terms page. Take a moment to read through it, and once you're comfortable with the terms, click on I agree. And voila! You've just created a Gmail account. You're now part of the Gmail universe, ready to send and receive emails and enjoy all the features and benefits Gmail has to offer, like ample storage space, easy integration with Google services, and robust security features. To summarize, creating a Gmail account involves visiting the Gmail sign-up page, filling out your personal details, choosing a unique email address, creating a secure password, providing a recovery phone number and email address, and agreeing to the terms of service. It's a simple, straightforward process that opens up a world of possibilities. So, there you have it. The step-by-step guide to creating your very own Gmail account. Happy emailing!